Want to know how to change your email in Google AI Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, you need to keep in mind that you cannot directly change your email from the Google AI Studio straight up. So you need to head towards Google account as it is linked to your Google account. So simply head towards your favorite browser and type in account.google.com. So once you're done, you should be directed to this page right here and simply head towards your personal information. Now scroll down until you see your mail. So for me, it's right here. So for that, just simply select this arrow icon right here. Once I've done that, here you can see your Gmail address. Now you can also see your recovered Gmail address. Now under contact mail, just simply select this mail right here. Now you can just simply select add another email. And once that is done, your verification will be set. And after the verification is set, simply accept the invitation, and once that is done, your another email will be linked. After that is done, just simply select your verified mail and you are all set. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.